So I was going to film a whole other video on how to actually go ahead and set up the network. I am dead serious. Look at the instruction manual. You go to the either that link right there, the IP address, or you just go to http://tp-link-wifi.net. Hit enter, it'll pull up a menu, you create a password, and then from there going forward you literally just customize anything you want about the entire network. So far it's been fantastic. It's been very easy to customize, very easy to create. You can have a different password for each band, the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz. You can have different SSIDs. It's pretty intricate. A lot better than anything else I've used and a lot better than Comcast. So, mission successful.